Hi, and welcome to the ID series tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to set up and operate the NEXO ID loudspeaker system composed of one ID84 with its companion sub IDS312 powered by an NEXO Mark II. You will need one IDS312, one VNT BP600 base plate and one IDT BP adapt, and one ID84. To set up your system, first put the subwoofer on the base plate and secure it with the adapter. Then, open the magnetic cover on the top of the IDS312. Put the ID84 on the sub using the Quick Connect system. This will ensure the mechanical and electrical connection between the sub and the column. Once the system is assembled, you have to check the vertical directivity pattern at the back of the speaker. Use the switch to select the desired setting and choose between broad or narrow mode. The speakers are equipped with two Speakon NL4 connectors with parallel wired pins. ID84 uses the -2+2 pins. IDS312 uses the -1+1 pins. NEXO speakers must be used with a NEXO processor to perform at its best efficiency and safety. IDS312 is set on channel 1 and will be affected to output A on -1+1 pins. ID84 is set on channel 2 and will be affected to output A on -2+2 pins. Finally, both signals feed one single NL4 connector on output A, so that it becomes easy to connect the NEXO to the sub with one NL4 cable. And the ID84 will be automatically connected to the sub thanks to the Quick Connect system. Now, let's see in practice how to operate that connection. First, make sure you have an NL4 cable and connect it on the output A of the NEXO. Connect this cable to the IDS312 and you're done. Your system is now properly cabled and it's time to operate your NEXO with the right preset. Power on the NEXO with a long press on the rotary encoder. Once the boot up is completed, the default setting menu will appear. Now, press the bottom part of the display to access the presets menu. This menu allows to select either a speaker preset for each selected channel or 4-channel speaker preset arrangement provided by NEXO. Pressing the NEXO button will display standard speaker setup like IDS312 and ID84. Turn the encoder until you find a preset that fits your application. Then, press Recall. The default screen is now displayed, and you can review your settings by pressing the up arrow on the top left of the screen. Individual channel settings are now displayed, allowing a quick check of the configuration. With ID84, you might have to adjust the preset according to its directivity mode. To do that, press the corresponding channel, select the cabinet settings, choose your directivity mode, and finally, its crossover frequency. Next step is to check your input patch. If your current input patch doesn't suit your configuration, select your channel and modify its patch accordingly. Once the operation completed, it's easy to check both input patch and output patch with NL4 pin allocation. Finally, press the down arrow to access to volume settings. Select your channel and rotate the encoder to raise the volume. If you need more details, you can download the user manual on the NEXO website. Thanks for watching and see you soon!